Hey guys, 'tis the season to make some stuff with pumpkin seeds. So this is a brittle that I like to make with raw pepitas. I love this because you can eat it like a little granola bark. I'll melt some semi-sweet chocolate chips and drizzle it on top for my kids for a little dessert and like top their ice cream with it. I'll put it on top of salads. It's just a really great crunch to have. You just pop it into like a storage container, leave it on your counter for like 5 days, and you can use it in a bunch of different ways. And around this time of year, I love making this, and I wanted to show you because it's really easy and super versatile. Okay, cool. 2 cups raw pepitas. Now to this, we're gonna add 3 tablespoons of maple syrup. This is super easy, and this has become a staple in my house this time of year. We got some maple syrup, we got spices, and an egg. That's basically it. It's super easy. So now to this, we're gonna do a teaspoon of cinnamon. We're gonna do half a teaspoon of salt. For nutmeg, we're gonna do a 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg. We're gonna do a 1/4 teaspoon of ginger. I love ground ginger. It adds such a beautiful flavor. I cook a lot with ground ginger. It's so delicious. If you guys are new to it, you should try to incorporate it because it's really awesome. 1/4 teaspoon of ginger, love. We're just gonna do like a pinch of cloves because the ground cloves are very strong. Little pinch. So now let's mix all this together. So then to this, we're gonna add 1 egg white. You gotta froth the egg white till there's a lot of bubbles in it. And that will help everything clump together. This is also a great trick for if you're making granola. It helps everything clump together and gets a beautiful golden brown color. Egg white is the key. Okay, so this is looking beautiful and glistening, right? Let's get our egg white going. Okay. This egg white is a little stubborn. All right. Okay, let's froth this up till it's nice and bubbly. A little arm workout. Okay, that is very bubbly. That's what we want. Bubble Town. So easy. You can't go anywhere without seeing pepitas and pumpkin seeds this time of year. Love a recipe that incorporates it. Okay, great. So it just looks like this beautiful, silky, see what I mean? Oh, you guys, it smells amazing. Even just like that little pinch of cloves makes such a difference. Baking sheet, parchment paper, cooking spray. I don't cook that much with cooking spray, but when I do, it really gets the job done. Okay. Sometimes cooking spray is just the way to do it. So we're just gonna lay this out so it's like a thin bark, because this is all gonna cook really crispy, right? And then we're gonna break it up into pieces. Another thing I'll do sometimes, and I do this with my granola as well, let me show you. When I wanna get like thin, crispy bark, I'll top it with another piece of parchment paper and just press down, and this just like kind of like seals everything together. I always do this with my granola. And you just kind of gently and evenly press down. It just like seals it all. I'll show you. See, so now it's like a beautiful flat seal. So I'm gonna pop this in the oven, 350. I'm gonna check it in 30 minutes. Okay, so beautiful, golden brown. You wanna let it cool completely. Look at this. So now you just break it as big chunks as you want it. Oh my gosh, you guys, can you hear that? I'm gonna put it like near my mic. It's so crispy. That's the egg white. Crunchy Town. Oh my gosh, that is delicious. You guys are gonna love this. It's so good. My kids are gonna lose their minds. Imagine this with chocolate drizzled on it. Oh my gosh, you guys. Look at this. It's perfect. This is pumpkin seed brittle. Oh my goodness, Pepita brittle. Well, thanks for hanging out. Make this, tell me how you guys are using it. I'm gonna put this on salads. I'm gonna make desserts out of this. I'm gonna pack this in little like containers. I'm bringing my kids to this like local botanical garden tomorrow. I'm gonna pack this into a little container and we're gonna snack on this. It's perfect. Oh my gosh. Thanks for hanging out. I'm gonna go put this away before I eat it all. Fanning myself with Pepita brittle. Don't make a word.